bet you didn't know how crucial web browsers are. They are the gateway to the vast world of the internet, enabling us to access information, connect with others, and perform countless tasks online. Today we'll be diving into the fascinating world of web browsers. These applications are more than just tools, they are our windows to the digital universe. We'll cover some of the most popular ones like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari. Each of these browsers has its own unique set of features, strengths, and user experiences. These browsers are essential tools for navigating the internet, allowing us to visit websites, watch videos, shop online, and much more. For instance, Chrome is known for its speed, Firefox for its privacy features, Edge for its Windows integration, and Safari for its optimization on Apple devices. Additionally, web browsers support a variety of extensions and add-ons that can enhance functionality and customize the browsing experience. Understanding the differences between these browsers can help you choose the one that best fits your needs. And let's not forget about mobile browsers, which bring the power of the internet to our fingertips. We'll also explore how to customize your browser settings to enhance your online experience. With advancements in technology, browsers now offer features like voice search, making finding information even more convenient. And for those who prefer a different aesthetic, many browsers now offer dark mode, which can be easier on the eyes. We'll also discuss the importance of privacy modes like incognito or private browsing, which help protect your online activities. So, whether you're a casual user or a tech enthusiast, understanding web browsers can greatly enhance your internet experience. Stay tuned as we explore these incredible tools in more detail. Alright, now let's talk about some basic browser features. These are the essential tools that make your browsing experience smooth and efficient. First up, we have the address bar, where you type in the web address you want to visit. Simply type in the URL and hit enter. The browser will take you directly to that site. Next, there are tabs, allowing you to open multiple web pages in one window. Tabs are incredibly useful for multitasking. You can open several sites in separate tabs within the same window. Bookmarks let you save your favorite websites for easy access later. Think of bookmarks as a way to create a personalized library of your most visited sites. You can even organize your bookmarks into folders for different categories. Another important feature is the browser history. This keeps a record of all the websites you visited. If you ever need to go back to a site but can't remember the URL, you can check your history to find it. Lastly, let's not forget about browser settings. These allow you to customize your browsing experience. You can change your homepage, manage your privacy settings, and even install extensions to add new features to your browser. Extensions are small software programs that can modify and enhance the functionality of your browser. For example, you can install an extension to block ads or manage your passwords. Security features are also crucial. Modern browsers come with built-in security measures to protect you from malicious websites and phishing attacks. Finally, always keep your browser updated. Updates often include new features, performance improvements, and security patches. So to sum up, the address bar, tabs, bookmarks, history, settings, extensions, and security features are all fundamental aspects of a modern web browser. Happy browsing! Finally, let's go over some tips for efficient browsing. In today's fast-paced digital world, being able to navigate the internet efficiently can save you a lot of time and frustration. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to surf the web, these tips will help you make the most out of your browsing experience. Using keyboard shortcuts can save you a lot of time. For instance, instead of using your mouse to navigate through menus, you can use shortcuts like Ctrl+T to open a new tab, Ctrl+W to close the current tab, and Ctrl+Shift+T to reopen a recently closed tab. These small tricks can significantly speed up your workflow. Organizing your bookmarks into folders can help you find what you need quickly. Create folders for different categories such as work, personal, research, and entertainment. This way, you can easily access your favorite websites without having to sift through a long list of bookmarks. And don't forget to clear your cache regularly to keep your browser running smoothly. Over time, your browser's cache can become cluttered with old data, which can slow down your browsing speed. By clearing your cache, you can free up space and ensure that your browser is loading the most up-to-date versions of websites. Another tip is to use browser extensions wisely. Extensions can add a lot of functionality to your browser, but having too many can also slow it down. Choose extensions that are essential for your needs, such as ad blockers, password managers, and productivity tools. Customizing your browser settings can also enhance your browsing experience. Most browsers allow you to change the default search engine, adjust privacy settings, and enable features like dark mode. Tailor your browser to suit your preferences. Lastly, don't forget about mobile browsing. Many of the tips mentioned here also apply to mobile browsers. Use shortcuts, organize bookmarks, clear cache, and customize settings on your mobile device to ensure a smooth and efficient browsing experience on the go. Understanding cookies and cache is essential for navigating the web efficiently. Cookies are small pieces of data sent from websites and stored on your computer by your web browser. They help websites remember information about your visit, like login details or preferences, making your browsing experience smoother and more personalized. However, cookies can also be used to track your online activity, which raises privacy concerns. Clearing cookies regularly can help protect your privacy. Cache, on the other hand, is a collection of stored data that helps speed up the loading of web pages. When you visit a website, your browser saves parts of the page, like images and scripts, in the cache. This way, the next time you visit the same site, it loads faster because it doesn't have to download everything again. However, over time, the cache can become large and outdated, which might slow down your browser. Regularly clearing your cache can help maintain your browser's performance. Understanding and managing cookies and cache is key to a faster, more secure browsing experience. Now that you have a better grasp of web browsers, it's time to take action. Explore, experiment, and enhance your online experience. The internet is a vast and dynamic place, and your web browser is your gateway to it. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, each one offers unique features and capabilities. Take some time to customize your browser settings. Adjust the privacy settings to suit your needs, install extensions that enhance your productivity, and personalize the appearance to make it truly yours. Extensions can significantly improve your browsing experience. From ad blockers to password managers, there's an extension for almost everything. Explore the extension store and find tools that can make your online activities more efficient and enjoyable. Don't forget about mobile browsing. Your smartphone's browser can be just as powerful as your desktop's. Sync your bookmarks, history, and settings across devices to have a seamless experience wherever you go. For those times when you need extra privacy, use incognito or private browsing modes. These modes ensure that your browsing history and cookies are not saved, giving you an added layer of security. If you're ever unsure about how to use a feature or need help troubleshooting, there are countless tutorials and forums online. A quick search can provide you with step-by-step guides and community support. Share your newfound knowledge with friends and family. Help them understand the importance of using a web browser effectively and safely. The more people know, the better the overall online experience will be for everyone. So dive in and start exploring. The web is full of possibilities, and with the right tools and knowledge, you can make the most out of your online journey. Happy browsing!